Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. Today we're going to talk about the brains of your irrigation system, the sprinkler clock. Whether you call them sprinkler clocks, irrigation controllers, or timers, they all do the same thing. Many people are intimidated by this component because they don't understand how it works. The truth is that these are actually very simple devices that automatically open and close your irrigation valves when it's time to water your plants. They do this by supplying a small electric current to your valve's solenoid, which opens the valve and then at the right time cuts off the current to close the valve. Old-fashioned controllers can be difficult to understand and operate. If you have an old controller, you should make sure and check the runtime by using a reliable time source to make sure that it's accurate. If your clock or controller is not accurate, or it will not provide the versatility that your landscape requires, you need to replace it. When choosing a clock, look for one that is at least 2 programs and 3 watering start times. This will give you the ability to water different parts of the landscape differently. The new digital clocks are all basically programmed the same way. Just turn the programming dial to the function you want to program and press the plus or minus button to increase or decrease the times or days. Once you have the right day or time on the display screen, press the enter button to enter the new setting. Then press the arrow button to go to the next setting. If you make a mistake or want to change a setting, just press the clear button and start over. When all the new settings are in for that function, then turn the dial to the next function and repeat the process. When all the functions are set, then turn the dial to auto or run and it's ready to go. If you have lawn sprinklers and drip emitters, make sure that these are on separate stations and separate programs. Do not mix them on the same line. This way you can set up the sprinklers to run for say 3 days a week and the drippers to run for 1 or 2 days a week, but for a much longer time. Using programs to group stations with similar watering needs will maximize irrigation efficiency. If you have problems programming your clock and it has a battery backup, just unplug it, bring it down to one of our store locations, and we'll have one of our irrigation specialists program it for you. For more information on clocks and valves, pick up our Star Note number 910 from any of our store locations or at starnursery.com. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.